This is the same Henry that you saw last video. One thing I didn't find out on that day is it was spares or repairs because the plug's knackered. I've got a spare flex with a moulded plug on, so I'm going to attach that. And I'll show you how to do it in this video, but most people, you could just cut the plug off here and reattach a different one. But there's millions and millions of videos about how to do that, so I'm just not going to bother showing you. What you want to do is take the top off the machine, flip it upside down like that, and then undo all these screws. Don't undo these 3 here, because you don't need to. Once you've undone these 4 screws, you can flip it over, then take the top off like that, and then remove the cord reel. After that, flip the cord reel over and undo these screws here. Once you've undone them, flip it around again and take that off. And then undo these 2 screws. And now you can take this out. Next step, you need to take this off by just running it down the cable. Now you need to take the end of your new cable and put it through this. That way. Don't do it the opposite way because that'll be very annoying. I strip the end of the cable. If you don't know how to do that, there'll be millions of videos on YouTube on how to do it. Next, we need to sit these cables in here and then screw them in. Difficult doing this one-handed. Sit the screw like that so you can put the cable under it and then just screw it in. And then run the cable down here like that. Grab the top piece, find that little arrow, and find the arrow on here. It's there, and then line them both up. Like, you can't fucking see it. Line them both up like that. And do up these screws. Once you've put the screws back in, you can put the cord reel back in to the machine there. Make sure the cable exits here, and rotate it until it sits on. Then ravel the cable up. Pull this thing out here. And place it into here. If it sits on like that, it's fine. If it's backwards, it'll be sat on wrong and won't sit in fully. So you need to make sure that's the right way around, like that. So it'll. And now you just want to put all these screws back in. Now you've done that, you can plug it in and make sure it works. That's absolutely fine.